Hello everyone, an update on Moby. As you can see, we did a test run on the engine on the last video. I've tried starting it again today, but the battery's a bit too low, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. I know it starts, which is a great position to be in. Still waiting for the radiator. I am disappointed with the supplier. Yes, I know it's made to order, but the lead times are now taking the mickey a little bit. So they can't give any firm dates, which is frustrating, so I can't carry on building the front end up. The old bulkhead's still on temporary, but it's for sale if anybody's interested. I haven't worked out what cost it would be yet, but if you make me a reasonable offer, send me a message in comments or send me an email through mobythelandy.com. But here we are, the rear tub is on. It's not fully bolted down yet, because I forgot when I took it off, there was a lot of corrosion around the original mounting points on the front of the seat box for the rear tub. So I'm either going to have to patch at that, which is not ideal because all I've got is steel and this is aluminium, or I'll contact YRM and see if they do a repair panel. I believe they do sections for seat boxes, so hopefully they do that section for us. But step back, put new galvanised seatbelt supports, because I do have rear seatbelt rail in the back of this. I haven't decided what to do with the seats, whether I put seats back in or not, but it's quite a handy point to strap things down, because it is a solid point to strap things down to in the car. So, and all galvanised, stainless steel bolts on the back. But another bit of good news, if you know my workshop layout, the bulkhead's not there, it's moved. I've T-washed it, I'm just waiting for it to dry. I've T-washed it and given it a clean cold water wipe down. So hopefully later today, I better get some primer on it. And once the primer's on there, is a good start. Then I'll have to do some seam sealing. I do have some information that was given to me by Richard Chassis on where to seam seal, what products to use, and so on. So once that's fully dried, I'll get the compressor out and get the primer applied. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Luckily, the only areas that are visible once it's finished product is just this end piece on either side and this front panel on the top here. So if it's not 100% perfect, as long as I can get it looking good enough and tidy enough, that's fine. I'm not too worried about how perfect inside the engine bay looks and the footwell, but we're making some good progress. It's been a little bit slow, but fingers crossed. If I set myself a time scale, I'm looking at about Easter to have it back on the road. I guarantee I'll probably fail that, but there's nothing wrong with having a target trying to achieve. And then I've got the B and C posts to get round to sorting out after I've done the bulkhead. But thank you very much. Have a good weekend. Take care. And catch up with you soon. Moby the Landy signing off.